Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and there's some madness going down today. We got chicks out here on four-wheelers. Let's go. Yeah, today it's gonna be crazy, bro. Bro, like I said, this is just the start, bro. Look, we got hella more people pulling in with the trailers. Homie said, I'm gonna rent a U-Haul and put my bike in there. Oh, let's go! My boy with the U-Haul coming in hot, bro. Good, chilling. How are you? Let's go. We about to put work in today. I want to see you put in some work today. I'm gonna try. What? You sure? Yeah. Hey, the rear brake work?
Yeah, it works. It's just all sketchy.
What do you mean it's sketchy?
I know.
I'm scared. Bruh, this thing tucked under. Hell no. Hell no. Bro, my foot is like this on it. Hell no. We got practice. Oh! Oh, someone just went, bro. Bro, homie went. I think he's good. I think he just slid on the side. Oh, the bike starts back up. He's chilling. A little cocky, bro. How'd you?
I was doing a Superman with one hand, bro.
And you on that? And you didn't get no. That's nothing. Hey, God's on your side. Seen that? That bike too big for homie, bro. Whoa! Woo! Now I'm gonna have my heart going, bro. She turned in the middle of the freaking thing. Holy crap. Like I said, today gonna get flipped, dog. This is what. Oh! Yo!
I'm the 90 king out here. You got anybody on YouTube that want to battle?
Alright, let them know the 90 goat out here. Let's see it, let's see it. We got Brap over here vibing. We got someone coming towards us, straight towards us. You really be putting in that 90 work. Yes, sir. Oh, you got back. What's good, bro? Good. Damn, boy. That shit gonna weigh you down when you're doing wheelies.
Oh shit, I don't do wheelie yet.
Your hand gonna be like this, bro.
Not yet.
Not yet. Let's go. What's going on? How you doing? Boom, let's get it. Trying to grab the front fender. There's so much like little things you can do with this bike because it's so. Yo, what the hell? Is he wearing a paintball mask? I think he's wearing a paintball mask, bro. Look at him. He just looked at me. Look at that shit. That's funny, bro. He's swagging it. He's killing it though. Hey, I thought that was a paintball mask at first. I was like, holy shit. It looks gangster.
Badass, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, shoot. Yo, bro, what you think about this?
Hey,
Call me out, right?
who won? Who won the battle?
Me!
Hey, I think Lil Cocky won. He did that Superman.
Lil Poopy keeps touching the floor, though. He
Ah.
stopped the bike and everything. This thing is walking the bike, guys. Is it my fault that I have a reborn that? Ain't ever been hitting the day. You gotta stop it. Hey, I'm not worried about that. Alright, the only thing, don't move up. No. Why you scared? Yeah, but don't worry about it. Oh, you gotta get 100 feet.
Lil Cocky said, enough of the talking. Let's put it to the street. Okay. Let's go. Hey.
I was asked like a few weeks ago.
No, bro. You got that shit. You're getting way Hey, on a two-stroke, bro, that's a lot harder.
Everybody been telling me that, bro. I appreciate it, though, nigga.
Bro, of course, bro.
Watching you, you know I'm gonna learn a little bit.
Yeah, bro, you got that. Bro, Brap and freaking Nick out here going crazy. Yo, someone dropped that hat. Someone dropped that hat, bro. Holy crap, it's getting busy, bro. Yo, look at Unc's pants he got on right now, bro. He got the diamond shell. Bro, he has the diamonds going down the side. I love it. He's sparkling, bro. The boy's working. You know we gotta have some scooter swag out here, yes sir! Ah! The little Vespa. Yo! How does that feel compared to the scooter? Yeah. That was funny. Tater over here getting nasty. Hey, look, I learned this shit. What? Yes, sir. Did you? Oh. Bro, that thing has been through a lot. What's up? Okay. Bro, he about to grill and everything. You know we about to be grilling up. Yo, look at everyone out here. Let's go. The boys working. The boys are working today.